In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer for beginners under $300 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Anycubic 3D Printer. The Anycubic Photon Mono X2 is a resin 3D printer that offers high-quality printing with its 4K plus HD resolution of 4096 by 2560, ensuring detailed and vivid 3D models. Its 9.1-inch monochrome screen not only enhances print quality but also extends screen life. The printer features an improved light source for uniform light exposure, enhancing model quality. With a dual linear rail system and vibration absorption structure, the printer ensures Z-axis accuracy and minimizes layer lines. It is compatible with various slicers like Anycubic Photon Workshop, Chi2, and Lychee Slicer, offering a user-friendly experience. The laser-engraved build plate with a textured pattern improves model adhesion and success rates while reducing screen damage and resin leakage. This printer does not support Anycubic Cloud service but provides a reliable and efficient printing experience overall. Number 2. Archity X12 3D Printer. The Archity Technology 3D Printer is a user-friendly device suitable for both home and educational environments. Made of plastic and available in red and blue colors, this printer boasts dimensions of 5.5 inches in diameter, width, and height. Compatible with personal computers, it offers easy out-of-the-box operation for printing tasks. The Archity Technology single extruder minimizes the chances of extruder clogs, while the metal frame and heated bed enable printing with various filaments like ABS, PLA, and TPU. With a 3.5-inch full-color touchscreen featuring intuitive icons, this printer ensures straightforward and hassle-free operation for users of all levels. Number 3. Geeetech Mizr S. The Geeetech Mizr S 3D printer is designed for users of all levels, from beginners to experts, offering both manual and automatic bed leveling options. With its dual Z-axis and Y-axis design, this printer aims to provide higher precision and stability for more delicate models. The dual-gear extruder ensures a constant filament supply, resulting in prints with an accuracy of 0.1 mm, equipped with a touch screen control and features like filament break detection and resume printing. The Mizr S offers a more intelligent printing experience. The PLA silk filament used in this printer produces smooth, shiny silver prints, making it ideal for artistic projects and decorations. Compatible with 3D printers using 1.75 mm diameter filament, this printer caters to a wide range of users and projects. Number 4. FlashForge 5M Pro. The FLASHFORGE Adventura 5M Pro is a versatile 3D printer designed for high-speed printing with features like automatic leveling, quiet printing modes, and secure printing with a closed structure and dual filtration system. This bundle includes the printer along with black high-speed PLA filament. The printer offers a variety of nozzle options and supports multiple filament materials, making it suitable for various applications such as parent-child bonding activities, household repairs, and creative teaching. Its advanced auto-leveling system eliminates the need for manual calibration, ensuring a flawless first layer every time. With a focus on user convenience and safety, the Adventura 5M Pro is equipped with features like a HEPA 13 and activated carbon filter to maintain air quality during printing, making it suitable for home or classroom use. Number 5. Creality Ender 3v2. The Creality Ender 3v2 3D printer is a high-quality machine designed for precision printing with a focus on user experience and quiet operation. It features a version 4.2.2 updated silent motherboard with TMC2208 stepper drivers for smooth and silent motion. The printer has a new UI with a 4.3-inch color screen, making operation easier and more convenient. Equipped with a UL-certified Meanwell power supply, it heats up quickly and can resume printing from the last layer in case of a power outage. The carborundum glass platform ensures quick heating and better adhesion for prints. With features like resume printing and XY-axis tensioner for belt adjustment, the Ender 3 V2 offers a hassle-free printing experience, saving time and filament.